Hello friends, and good morning from the Florida Keys. I haven't been outside yet, but it seems pretty blustery. We were anticipating this windstorm and it did start up last night. Kids are doing schoolwork, doing some cleaning, and today is laundry day for me. So let's go check out the weather. Ooh, it's bright. All right, it's swirling out here. Set a low of 50 degrees today, high of 60. We've been about 80 the last couple days, so that is definitely lower. No precipitation with this windstorm, just wind. Cleaning out the wagon so we can go do laundry. I have not seen the laundry facility at this place, so gotta go check it out. Spend the entire day doing that work. Not even really sure where I'm going, but I'm guessing towards the office. Somebody filled my wagon full of rocks. Can't imagine who would do that. Okay. People's stuff is really going in this wind. I was looking at the map and a worker said, "You're looking for the laundry, aren't you?" Quite a ways away, back by the marina, so we're taking a hike over to the laundry. Hopefully everybody else doesn't have the same idea this morning. Right, we made it to the marina. She said it's hidden by the boats, so let's go see if we can find it. This is the marina office. I think it's maybe over here? I don't know. This is really out of the way. It's kind of confused. We found it. Park my little wagon. Okay. Check it out. Set timer for 33 minutes. They got my timer. Very nice laundry facility, lots of machines. Did have to download an app to be able to pay. The card readers weren't working. So got my 4 loads going. Could be back in 30 minutes to switch them over and get them all dried. I think I do want to bring back my towels when I come and do a load of towels. But plenty of washers and dryers. Probably need to put a hat on. It is so blustery. Hey, my timer went off, so I'm using a bike to go over and get the laundry switched over because it's so far away. We're also switched into some pants as it's chilly. All right, $20 down, but 4 loads of laundry into the dryer. The app is kind of nice because it tells you exactly what's happening, how many minutes is left, and what dryer number you are, because I have like random dryers at this point. So 45 minutes and then we can come back for our foes. Oh, I moved it to the dryer. I like riding your bike. Hunter's doing his schoolwork outside today in the wind. Whew. This time I have to walk because I got to bring the wagon back, but I got 5 minutes till my dryers start to be done. Got my audiobook ready. I'm going to go fold laundry and get it done. Hi, did you go on an adventure?
Yeah. Do.
Violet and Dad came to help with the laundry. Nice to get the laundry done in one fell swoop and get it put away.
What are we gonna? Are we gonna make lunch?
Yep, Bennett's starting some nachos.
Nice.
Had some bananas that needed some attention, so I'm going to attempt to make a banana cake here in the RV for the first time. Seems like a good day to do it. It's very blowy outside. We'll see how it goes. I do. I have not got it out yet, but I do. Got out my supplies: flour, sugar, bananas, got some butter in here. Got some sour cream. Just need to get out some eggs and baking soda. We're gonna attempt to do some bacon in the RV.
But you can make a channel. That is bacon.
We finally picked up some baking supplies at our last shopping haul, so this is actually possible. Okay, vanilla. Having to find all my supplies since I haven't used them before.
Got it.
Thank you for your efforts on the bed,
You should get a new bed for me. I want to get 4 mattresses.
You're gonna be the princess and the pea. The prince and the pea. Bennett's coaching me on how to use this. I have used this, but I had not done this part and put it away, and he had done that. Okay. What did we use this to make, Everett? I don't remember.
Brownies.
Brownies, that's right. Okay. Yeah. Adding some sour cream. Always keeps it really moist. I turned my oven on. It could be preheating. Right. We're in business. Was just reading on the couch and she disappeared. She went and put herself in her bed for a nap. She just knows when she gets tired. Kind of amazing. Okay, at this point, pretty much just made a white cake mix. Now we gotta add the bananas. We were having an issue with our freezer. These are my bananas for smoothies, but they were frozen, then they thawed, then they froze back into just a hard rock, and I was having a hard time getting them apart. So I figured we'd try and make a cake. Chicken in 35 minutes. Had nachos for lunch, some steak nachos, so we're gonna just clean up everything at once.
Everett has been busy working on these shells that we collected yesterday on our walk. Can you show us, Everett, your progress? How it's going?
Imagine this. And now I cleaned it to look like this.
Oh, cool.
This is the before I cleaned up.
Okay.
It looks like this, all dirty.
Yeah, all this dried mud and stuff.
And this, all this dried mud and stuff. stuff inside of it. Look at this.
Oh, nice. That's looking great.
Now this.
Oh, wow.
I'm not done with them, but
This
it's just like
looks
20
so
minutes
much
of work.
better, Everett. Wow.
20 minutes in work, and I'll show you what I've been using.
Yeah.
This, I've been using this.
Is that your toothbrush, your regular toothbrush?
No, this is Violet's. Mom let me use it.
It's her old toothbrush, not her current one. She's not using that one anymore. Good job.
It's a new out of the package.
Oh, okay. Well, she had an extra, I guess.
She has like 3 more.
Yeah.
3 or 4.
All right. This looks so good, though, Everett. You're making such great progress. I can see this. Can you see the junk coming off as you scrub it?
Oh, you can see a lot better at the start. Look.
Yeah.
Let me get the water.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Yeah, we almost need like a little power washer. I just checked it and it was really wet, and I added some extra time.
Oh, look at all of that.
Wow.
Already looks so much better.
Yeah, it does. Good job, bud.
Mark got it out. I fell asleep getting Violet down for a nap. After she laid herself down, we had to change her diaper, and then she decided that was her nap until I laid down with her. No, she's asleep. But she needed Mom to cuddle with her to sleep after. Let's give it a taste test.
I thought you had a frosting.
I don't have any powdered sugar. This cake doesn't need frosting. It's good with frosting, but it doesn't need it.
Down up to 2,100 square miles. Yes, I looked at the number in the tens.
Oh, thanks.
It's got a little overcooked, but
Thanks, Mom.
I put it in size, but the middle was eating more, and
it tastes great.
maybe it kept cooking after I took it out too.
Down. Just power of rounding.
All right.
Why do I answer your questions on my
Brownies too.
tens or ones down to 0?
Okay. That didn't last long. I'd say that was a success. Everybody enjoyed just something familiar from home. Ate it really fast. The wind continues to whip here. Mark and some of the kids went out to see some people windsurfing. Seems like good weather to windsurf, but not good weather to do just about anything else out on the water right now. I'm sitting here doing schoolwork with Everett, and the wind just keeps blowing so hard. Here in the Keys, you just realize there is nothing stopping it from just blowing through, because really we're just on this small area of land, and then there's the road, and then it's back to the ocean again. All the trees are just blowing all day long. Bennett is starting dinner. Some fish for fish tacos. They've caught these fish over the last few days here on the Keys and had a really good time. They found going after dark, the fish come in better, so they've had a good time catching a few in the dark. You saw some manta rays come in?
Not manta rays, stingrays.
Stingrays, okay. Keep watching this when you're, oh, I accidentally. Excuses.
Thank you all that. Where does the thing go for this?
You got the booger? Good job. So Bennett is making some fish tacos for dinner using the fish that he and Hunter caught from the pier here in the campground. So that's awesome that he can catch the fish and then prepare it for dinner for us. It was a good day getting things done around camp. We're so grateful for each and every one of you that spends time with us. We love you, and we'll see you again real soon for more of This Alaska Life on the road.